is coming down the ice. He gives a shove to Felix Sandstrom. Are they gonna go? They are gonna go. Dylan Garand and Felix Sandstrom. We got a tilt. Desperately trying to get in there is Adam Tobias. Way to ruin the fun, 16. Now Graham Slaggert's gonna go with Alex Belzile. Belzile firing away on Slaggert. Garand will kick the water bottle. Is Adam Tobias serious with this? Now Joshua's in there with Matthew Robertson. Joshua with a good right. Robertson with a jab. Brett Berard and Komarov are going out in the right wing corner. Berard taken down by Komarov in the right wing corner as Joshua and Robertson are still firing away just inside the zone. And Robertson scores the takedown.